I'm bored. What should I do? Aha! I'm going to pull the fire alarm at Pizza Hut, because I feel like doing that.
When Angelica Pickles got to Pizza Hut,
There it is. Let's do this. Okay, now let's get out of here.
Oh. Sounds like Angelica Pickles is pulling the fire alarm at Pizza Hut.
come on Jade, let's get out of here.
Okay, Leon.
Back at home.
Hi Angelica. How is your day going?
It's great.
Let's watch the news.
After watching the news,
Oh my freaking god, Angelica Pickles. How dare you pull the fire alarm at Pizza Hut? That's it. You are grounded for 12,954 months. As for your punishment, Yasmin is here to beat you up.
Ouch, that hurts.
This is what you get for pulling the fire alarm at Pizza Hut.
Go to your room right now.